Hi everyone, in this video let us see a new artificial intelligence applications, that is Kling AI. By using Kling AI you can prepare a beautiful image, animation and lip synchronization videos. Now let's get started. So you have to go to Google and click Kling AI. By using your Gmail ID you can create account in Kling AI. This is the dashboard area. Here you can find many beautiful AI generated animations. So you can select any video based on your need. Okay, so this is already prepared AI generated videos. So you can directly select this video and you can download. For example, if you want to download this video, just click here and you can get this page. Okay, for example, if you want to recreate, and you can click recreate options. Otherwise, just go to this three dot button and click download. So the video will be downloaded. For example, if you want to download this video, you can click here and you can page and go to this three dots and click download option. So the video will be downloaded. Now let's see what are the other features available. Click videos option. If you click videos option, you can get three different features, that is text to video and image to video and lip synchronization video. For example, if you have any script for your imaginations, you can give a script in this prompt mark. Okay, so you can select the settings option, duration 5 seconds or 10 seconds, aspect ratio. So you can select and you can click generate options, so you can get a beautiful animations. And this is the next option, image to video. If you have any beautiful images, okay, so you can upload these images here. So uploading the images, you can give prompt also based on the images and you can click generate options. Here there is a third option, lip synchronization technology. If you click lip synchronization, so you can get a beautiful window like this. Okay, so I have already uploaded this image and based on this image I have given this prompt in this right side, prompt marks. Okay, text to speech, right, and the voices, you can select any kind of voice based on this image and you can go for the preview, and if it is okay you can click this generate option.
Hi, I hope this video was useful.
So based on that image you have uploaded and given script and the selected voice, so the lip synchronization technology will give a lip synchronization video for your content. If you want to create any video from your text, you can give your text here. I'm giving this prompt. Okay, you can give this prompt, otherwise you can use ChatGPT. Here this is a prompt, write prompt for creating an animation of a dinosaur walks in the country, beautiful background animation with Kling AI. So here, so this is the detailed prompts we have got from this ChatGPT. So you can copy this, paste it here and you can click generate options. So it will take time to creating a video. Don't forget to watch the output. At the end of this video, you can see the beautiful output created by this Kling AI. Here you can copy the downloaded video and you can paste it to your PowerPoint presentation also. Here I copied this video and I have it here. Yes, so you can go for a slideshow, so you can get this beautiful animated video. So like that you can do for any kind of animation and a video for your recorded presentation, PowerPoint presentation and storytelling videos. Hope this video is very useful. We will meet in another interesting AI applications. Thank you so much. Keep watching.
Hi, I hope this video was useful. Keep watching KT's Techno Teach. Thank you.